Today I want to talk a little bit about measuring your sculpture and why it's so important. And here's a great book that gets you an introduction to why measure out your work as you go. It explains how all the great masters and monuments and subtractive works that were done in marble, you think, how in the world could someone just take away stone and end up with an amazing rendition of the human figure, as in the Michelangelo's David or Pietà? But this book will help explain the whole process of measuring. And I'll just show you some tools in here. You can see calipers, but right where my thumb is over here, you can see what's called a pointing machine. And it will really help to learn how these tools are used if you have a chance. So that's called Sculpture in Stone. I don't know if it's still available. I got it years ago. But if you can't find the book, I will detail out in my presentation some of the methods that they use, because it demystifies the whole process of why measure and what the results are. Because, you look at Mount Rushmore and you think, wow, how was that done? These methods, these ancient methods actually, are how they were able to take a small version and make it into a huge version, for example. And it doesn't even take sculptors using this method. Just craftspeople who use these techniques can enlarge a sculpture almost perfectly. I mean, it's nice to have the sculptor go in and do any finishing, but it just tells you a little bit about how accurate it can be. But anyway, coming on today, I wanted to bring that up, but also let you know that I won't have a full show today, but next week it's going to be Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, and we'll have a lot of continued results here, progress on the owl. I wasn't able to really work on it yesterday, but I did point out, I used my measurements and I created areas that are the touch points where I then measure everything from. So on the shoulder and on the head, and then I start to measure out the different major segments. And now I'm going to start to define those major segments. So I will see everyone next week on Monday, and thanks for watching. Bye-bye.